Hello, Richard here from EagleSix Airsoft. We are going to be testing this TM MP7 gas blowback. This one has had installed the Laylax Nineball Barrel, the 603. We've got the Sniper Mechanic hot rubber, the Flamingo 50 degree. We've got the EagleSix Flat Nub, the small one, 3mm version, pushing down on the hot rubber to give the extra lift on some of the heavier ammos. We've got the DDC Trigger Bar on the side installed. We've got, I think that's it for the kit. So obviously we've tested this one at range. Long term, we're obviously going to be stocking more and more of the DDC ones. We're actually struggling to keep the DDC parts in stock. So they've got quite a low slow production schedule for their particular parts, slash me maybe not ordering enough you know, when it comes to the actual delivery of them. But yeah, we're trying to obviously get more and more of those in stock, so that obviously we can offer the full range of DDC, and they obviously are configurable on our little build packages, so on the build configurators on the website. We're just going to demonstrate this one working right now. So like I say, functionality wise, it's all working. Let's put another one through. We've done our range testing on it, so we're happy. Don't want to use much more than the level 2 gases, otherwise you'll probably go over the limit on the 3.2s. And 3.2s would be our recommended ammo for this. And so I've got working on that trigger. It's out of gas now. So yes, so sometimes these have an issue where basically you can cock them with obviously a loaded magazine and this doesn't return home. Ironically, the DDC upgraded sear actually resolves that issue, but the other way to resolve it is to basically cock the gun beforehand and then insert it, and then obviously you can then fire and it'll engage the actual sear. So just like I say, just cock it, then insert magazine, and you should avoid the issue entirely. And then I find over time it sorts itself out, just because it's slightly sticky from the gun being fresh and new, and everything is a bit tight. So yeah, but we hope you enjoy it. Like I say, any other problems, let me know, and yeah, we hope you have fun. Thank you.